Clockify setup. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your website and search for Clockify. Open the website and click Start Tracking Time to begin the setup process. Sign into your account using either your Google account or email address. After logging in, click Projects on the left sidebar to access project management features. Click Create New Project and add a project name. Then select a client. If you don't have any existing clients, add one by typing your client name and clicking Create your client name client below the input field. Click Create to finalize your new project. You can edit the project by adding a billable rate through clicking Set Rate. Set the project estimate by selecting your preferred estimation method, either manual or task-based, for example, using manual. After configuring your project settings, navigate to the time tracker on the top left sidebar. Click Project and select the project you created earlier, then create a task. Type what you're currently working on in the description field. Click Start to begin the timer for your work session. When finished, click Stop to end the timer. View your work summary in the report menu on the left sidebar. Here you can see the estimated amount of money earned and track how long you've been working.